Man, let's see. Let's see what we have here. We have apurarse or darse prisa. Apurarse, darse prisa. Once again, we have darse, darse. That just means that you can say, you can use those pronouns me, te, and le, okay? Me, te, le. So yes, just so you know, apurarse. Same with this one, apurarse. Apurarse. Now, what does this mean? Apurarse or darse prisa. You can use either one. Okay, you can even use these two in the same sentence, one after another. So this means to hurry, to hurry. So if you want someone to hurry, you can use these two verbs, apurarse, darse prisa. Let's look at some examples. Date prisa. This is a very common phrase to use. Date prisa. Date prisa. Chop chop. No, it doesn't mean chop chop, but it's similar to saying chop chop. And you'll see the meaning. I mean, I'm pretty sure you know what that means. Because we just said darse prisa, right? Date prisa. And you can also say right after that, apúrate. Okay? So this is a common thing. You don't have to, but you can say both. You can use both verbs one after another just to express, hurry, hurry, we gotta go, hurry. Date prisa, apúrate. You can use either date prisa or apúrate or both. Date prisa, apúrate. Okay? What does this mean? This means hurry. Hurry, okay? Hurry, hurry up. Similar. Date prisa, apúrate. Hurry, hurry, hurry up. Whatever you need to do, right? You can add that after this. Date prisa, apúrate, because, porque, and then ... add the rest of your sentence. And this is like these two are great expressions to use when you want to say hurry, okay? Date prisa, apúrate. Just be cautious with with these phrases, because if you're not familiar or you're not comfortable with the person, it might be a bit rude. If you say, for example, to a waitress, date prisa, that is very rude. Don't say that. You wouldn't say to a waitress, hurry, right? Hurry. That's very rude. So you usually use these expressions with people that you know, right? That you get along with, that you are familiar with, that you are comfortable with. So just be cautious. Be cautious. Now, let's look at the next example. Apúrate. Necesitamos irnos. Apúrate. I mean, you should not snap like your fingers at people, but I'm just expressing, the apúrate. Necesitamos irnos. Necesitamos irnos. What does this mean? Well, the first part, hurry up, right? Hurry up. Apúrate. Necesitamos irnos. We need to go. Necesitamos means we need. Irnos, to go. Or necesitamos, we need to. Irnos, go. Okay? This is another interesting phrase. Apúrate. Remember, we're adding the pronoun te in this situation. You can see it right here. Te. Apúrate. Okay? Apúrate. You're saying this to one person. Okay? If you want to say this to a group of people, that will be more like apúrense. Apúrense. Okay, so it's a command. We're talking about commands here. Apúrate, apúrense. Okay, that's the first one is to one person. The second one is you're saying that to a group of people. So that's something important to remember. Usually when you say, or when you use apurarse, usually you use it in a command way. You know, you're commanding people, please hurry up. I mean, you can add por favor, right? Apúrense, por favor. Or in this situ, what we had before, apúrate, por favor. Hurry up, please. So it's a good idea to add a please there. You know, you don't want to sound rude for sure. So remember that. Apúrate, por favor. Hurry up, please. Let me add that here, please. Please. Okay, hurry up, please. Apúrate, por favor. Hurry up, please. Or just hurry, please. Necesitamos irnos. We need to go. Okay, we need to go. Irnos is another interesting word, because if we translate this word by word, we need necesitamos ir, to go. But if you say necesitamos ir without nos, just like that, it's kind of weird. It doesn't make much sense. It sounds incomplete. So you need to say nos in this situation. So you're saying you and I, we need to go. You and I, okay? We need to go. Both of us. Okay, so we need irnos there. But anyways, I'm just breaking this down so you know what this means and why it's there. Okay, apurarse, darse prisa. Once again, that means to hurry. Okay, hurry up, or hurry.